This is Mark from the Geek Church here, and I'd like to discuss something with you. See this box? Pause with Panda? Now, check this out. Okay, Mark, will you take a panda with me? We're going to be opening this up and finding out what this is right after this. Okay, generally when I talk about products, I usually don't talk about the packaging it comes in because I just assume every box is like every other box. The fact that this went out of their way to mark this box this way is kind of cool. However, I'm not certain that it actually comes like this. But we're going to do an unboxing as far as this goes. And we actually can see what's inside it from here. There's a Panda, a storybook, a user manual, stickers, and a USB charging cable. And this is it right here. Cute, isn't he? Who doesn't love pandas? Okay, actually I don't really know that much about pandas. I'm assuming that if you saw a panda out in the wild, which I'm told is probably pretty rare, because I think they're endangered, you probably shouldn't go up and pet it, but don't you just want to? I mean, for crying out loud, look at it. Yeah, you definitely don't want to get in the way of a mother panda and her cubs, because I'm sure she'd probably just slaughter the heck out of you. But hey, so I got this thing, comes in this cool envelope. Feels like sort of a Mission Impossible thing. Hopefully it won't self-destruct after it's done. And there's a charging cord. So, okay, unboxing done. Okay, you know what? I just want to see, okay, there seems to be, okay, there's an on-off thing right on here. Let's see just what happens if I turn it on. Okay. I don't know what I expected from this. I guess I thought that maybe it would... Honestly, it probably needs charging. Some of these products I've unboxed work right out of the box because they're pre-charged. Something tells me this doesn't. But hey. Alright, we can always go back and do a review on this later here. Okay, before we do that, I'm definitely going to open this thing because I don't know what it is. Alright, this appears to be the story book here. So pause with Panda. So there's a storybook here. Okay. You know what? We're going to have to go back to this because this is something I'm going to have to study a lot and charge up. So, yeah, we're going to go back to this. We might switch locations. Okay, so I took the time to charge it up, and there's apparently a port on its back. So you got to unzip this thing here. There's a QR code, so I'm guessing I'm probably going to need an app for this, so I'm just going to download that app. You know, probably set up an account, something like that. Okay, funny thing happened when I scanned the barcode. It tried to lead me to where the Pause with Panda app was on Google Play, but then I couldn't find it. But I found it right here, so I'm just going to do this and install. By the way, something I noticed while I was charging it, it comes with a USB micro. USB micro, who even uses that these days? Crazy. Okay, so after I entered in my contact information, or not contact information, but you know, name, password, all that stuff you gotta get an account, you want to know like who is going to be owning the Panda. So like you have to enter in like your kid's name, and then you gotta enter in like and then it's like it gives you a list of stuff that maybe your kid is suffering from, like ADHD, anxiety, autism, depression, sleep, stress, general well-being. A lot of stuff. I just checked them all. You never know what you might get here, so I'm just going to do that. Yeah. Okay, now we got to sync this Panda. I have no idea how to do that. There's not really any indicator light on the back of this thing to let you know it's on, so I'm not really certain what to do next. So let's go through the instructions. Okay, open up the back of Panda. Blah, blah, blah. Use this. Okay. Make sure the power is pushed all the way to the left to the highest level. Okay. And it is. Okay. Okay, so here's where the barcode comes in. So we're going to scan it. And there we go. Okay. Okay, press and hold the Panda sync button. Is there a sync button? Okay, the sync button is very small. I'm actually going to need a pen in order to get to it. So let's hope we can do that. Oh man, I can't even do that. Do I have something with like a needle on it? I swear, that's probably what I'm going to have to use. I don't want to use the tippy end of the pen, otherwise I'm going to mark it up with ink. Is there anything I got that can do this? Oh, for crying out loud. Okay, I got a pen here. Maybe this will work.
Syncing mode activated. Syncing mode activated. Syncing mode activated. Syncing mode activated.
Okay, so there's a syncing mode activating. So hopefully you heard that. Hopefully that got on my microphone. Okay, so it's downloading the pauses. It's taking its sweet time about it as well. Maybe I should have kept my finger on the button. Oh, here we go. Okay, it's joining. So that's good. Searching for devices. And there we go. Okay, it always uses a temporary Wi-Fi. This is the second time I've had to do something where it just, where apparently you gotta sync it. I don't know, there are certain products that just seem to have their own Wi-Fi network about them, and then you have to change your device or something with it. I don't know. 100% complete. Okay, great. Okay. Okay, let's get to know the Panda here. So, what do we got? Okay. Okay, so what is pause? I think pause is the Panda's name. Alright. It's a short exercise that helps children learn to recognize and respond to their thoughts, feelings, and emotion. And there's 6 types of pauses a child can take. So there's sleep, which is located on the ear. There's an on and off thing. I didn't really turn this on. Or at least I don't remember turning this on. So let's see. Then we got, what is that? Calm. And what is on this paw? Focus. And we got what's on this paw? Love. And then we have move. So, hey, we got something. Okay, so the app's actually kind of interesting here. We got ourselves a home button and all kinds of stuff. Okay, so here's what I've heard, that as a parent, you can make messages into Pause the Panda. So when your kid hits a certain paw or something like that, it'll play those messages, giving reassurance that I guess everything will be all right. So something like that. We'll see. Can we find new pauses here? Let's try, which one is over here? Let's try sleep, because it's right on the ear. Okay. All right. Nope. Okay, I thought these were kind of, okay, what happens if I just hit the button? How about if I hit any buttons? Is this thing on? I don't even know, honestly.
Hi, friend. Let's take a pause.
Alright! Hey, it's on. Sweet. Okay, so what happens when I hit a button here?
The sleepy forest. It's almost the end of another day in my magical bamboo forest. Zen.
Dude, it's telling me a story.
The landscape is so beautiful and lush. How do I describe it? Where do I begin? I'll start with what I see.
Getting kind of an ASMR feel for this thing.
Colors all around.
Do you guys hear this?
Prisms of light
Speak up,
gently
Panda.
dancing together. Twinkling rainbows abound.
Okay. Is there a way to pause it? Okay. Does it...
Gentle waves.
Oh! That just shifted it to another...
It's almost bedtime in my magical bamboo forest.
Okay, that just shifted it to something
I
else.
think I'll go wade in the water. Feel the coolness up to my chin.
Okay, can we do it again?
Starts. What do I notice?
Okay.
It's the end of another day, and the sun has just gone to bed. The sleepy forest. Gentle waves.
Okay, I can't seem to
It's
pause it or
almost
anything.
bedtime in my magical bamboo forest. Zen. I think I'll go wade in the water. Feel the coolness.
Okay.
See you later.
Okay, I kind of just shut it off just so I could get it to stop talking here. But the app actually shows me all these little stories that it's telling, and I can actually select which one I want first. Kind of cool. Okay, this time I'm going to hit calm.
Flower breath. What do you use your nose for? Do you use it for smelling? Maybe use it to smell fresh cookies or your soap when you take a shower. When we smell with our noses and then slowly let the air out through our mouths.
Okay, there's one called Panda Hug.
Panda hug.
Hey, alright, hugs.
Sometimes I feel upset, scared, and even sad. My feelings can be like stormy, dark, gray clouds. Do you ever feel this way? It's okay to feel like this sometimes. Everybody does. When I feel upset, scared, or sad, a pause I like to take is a panda hug. Will you try a panda hug with me? You can give yourself a panda hug, someone you love a panda hug, or even give a panda hug to me. Let's try giving me a hug first.
Yeah, what the heck?
With me close by, you will take a big breath in through your nose, filling your belly up with air. Give me a big hug, and then slowly let all the air out. Ready to give me a panda hug?
Oh, I already kind of did it. Okay, so far I'm really liking what this thing can do, man. I can see what it is kind of made for. This is very similar to a product that I reviewed called the Tonys. Remember those? Yeah, I reviewed those actually twice. And this is like that, but without the figures. Yeah, I have no idea how long the battery lasts or anything like that. I'm going to have to look at those stats, put it on the article. But I can see the direction they're going with this. This is actually a really good product here. My kids are all grown up and are probably too old for something like this. But, yeah, hey, we got something here. Okay, I was kind of hoping that there would be a way to, like, record yourself on this thing as a parent and then give messages. I'm not really seeing that. I'm going through the pauses, and you can select more things for this to say. And it also should be noted that the pauses, or the, when you hit the button here, the things that it says, some of them are over a few minutes. Like at least 3 minutes to start, maybe 2 or something. And okay, I think I mentioned the storybook it comes with. As you can see, it's about a panda, just basically kind of quietly in meditation. And here's him surrounded by a bunch of bamboo, because apparently this panda likes to hang with his friends and eat bamboo. I guess he's not like Kung Fu Panda in that way. So this is not like Po, but this is more the inner peace Po, if you have to be on there. I don't really see a need to read this full thing out loud, but you get what it's trying to say here. Okay, in short, I really like this product here, and I'm going to take more of a pause here. If you want it, you can get it for about $99 on the Pause with Panda site, and it's definitely your kid's favorite emotional support animal. So until then, I'm going to go and...
My friend, me.
But I'm going to share the love.
To be a good friend.
All right, this is Mark Rollins from the Geek Church.
A good friend might be someone that listens.
I'm signing off.
Someone that is...